Hello KXOPH. In this video, I want to show you on how to turn on the fog lamp and rear fog lamp. So all you have to do is turn this on, rotate this, then simply rotate this for the front fog lamp, then rotate one more time for the rear fog lamp, and that's it.